Yeah, we have discussed in the last topic about the addition of decimals and the subtraction of decimals. So addition and subtraction, the procedure is same. Align the digit, I mean decimals, one below the other, and you just add in the addition and subtract as we done the subtraction of whole numbers. This is all about what we have discussed in the last session, right? And then what about today? You know the multiplications. How to multiply decimal numbers. So let us understand by a small example, right? While multiply the decimal numbers, just arrange the numbers one below the other. We can multiply the decimals as we multiplied whole numbers. Whole numbers, like the multiply chestamo. Same, we just multiply. Then after I will reveal the small logic. Okay, then we take one example. Multiply 12.5 by whole number 36. One is a decimal number, other one is whole number. So you know in every multiplication there are two terms, right? First one is multiplicand. Second one is multiplier. The result to be obtained, the result of product, that's good. So multiplier, multiplicand and multiplier as given. You just write one below the other as we write the whole numbers. 12.5 into 6.
Is a whole number.
6
is a whole number.
6 is the whole number. If you write like this, that is wrong. Write in the whole number place. Now you just multiply. Okay. Clear this for everyone? Right. Okay. 6 5s. 3 and carry over to 3. 0 and 3. Next 6 2s are 12 plus 3. 6 1s are 6. Now, where do we put the point? That is the big question here. Okay. So everything is good. While numbers, as we multiply whole numbers, you can do it, and everything is keep going on. But the final problem is, where do we put the decimal point? That we have to get somewhere. See, multiplicand and multiplier, I said two words. These are mathematical words, you know. Every number, any operation, it has the mathematical name. So in this multiplication, okay, this is decimals, even though they have a name as for mathematics. The first term in the multiplication is called multiplicand. Then the second term is the multiplication is called multiplier. The result to be obtained in the multiplication is called product. All this learned in the 4th and 5th classes. But you are reminding, that's it. That is not a new thing to learn now. Okay. Right. So the main big question is, where do we put the decimal point? Where do we use? Okay, after my multiplication completed, finish. But I need to use full stop, decimal point. Decimal point I need to use, right? Where do I put decimal point? Why? Yes, in the multiplicand and multiplier, count the number of decimal digits or decimal places. In the multiplicand or multiplier together. Total ga multiplier lo multiplicand lo any decimal places ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. Only one decimal place. So we can put to maintain one decimal in the product also. Yes, one decimal. So
75.0.
therefore, 12.5 into 6, that equals 75. No need. Why should I unnecessarily to write 0, point and everything? There is no value, no. So let it be 75 or 75.50 and 75.00, 75.000, both are all are equal. So this is the procedure of multiplying decimal number by whole number. Okay, if decimal by decimal, I will explain, then we will write this.
Yes, sir.
So you know this. I will explain one more time. Okay. Yes. So just now we multiplied a decimal number by a whole number. But this time in the multiplicand is a whole number, so decimal number, and the multiplier also decimal number. How to multiply when the two decimal numbers given? So we just arrange one below the other. 24.7 and 1.2, align the two numbers and multiply. You just assume that there is no decimal points and do the multiplication as we did in the multiplication of whole numbers. Right. After that, 2 sevens, 14, 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9, 2 twos are 4. Yes. Next, the tens place. You know what do we get when we multiply a number by 10? So usually if the number is multiplied by 10, we get 0 in the units place. So I write 0 first and multiply with the number. That value is equals to 10. Okay, 1 sevens are 7, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2. Yeah, two numbers product is here, and by adding we get a total number of product. Right, to just be adding after 2964. But the question is that where do we use decimal point? So there are how many decimal places together in multiplicand and multiplier? We just
Two decimal.
one decimal place, here is one decimal place. Okay, altogether 2. So we just put this 2 digits after from the right in the product. 59 point. Okay, now if it is a 3, we just put the decimal 3 digits from the right in the product. If it is a 4, we can put 4 digits after from the right in the product. Okay, that's it. I'll give you some information about why the grams are represented by using 3 digits. $999 up to 999, all are grams. We have a chance to write grams up to 999. When it is 1000, it will become a kg. Right? That's it. So that always grams should be represented by 3 digits. If 27 grams is given in one number and 2 kgs 27 grams, 3 kgs 150 grams. How to arrange these numbers one below the other? The problem has come. Where do the problem? Here it is a problem. Okay, I will arrange the numbers. 2 kgs 27 grams. Okay. If you are, what is the problem if you are not maintain 3 digits in the grams? Now I am giving some idea. Same problem వస్తుంది ఒకవేళ మనం 3 digits రాయకపోతే 3 kilos 150 grams. If you write 0 here, it will be 270 grams. but he has given only 27 grams. Almost, I have told you that 3 digits should be maintained or write or represent the grams by using 3 digits. But 27 grams, how do I represent this 27 grams? 0, 2, 7. This is the correct way to represent 27 grams. Now you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Next, 4 kgs, 278. Right. You just arrange one below the other and just add them or to subtract. If you know how to arrange, okay, 9 grams as given. Don't bother about that to represent 9 grams. Simple. 1 kg, 9 grams. 0, 0, 9. 9 grams. Simple. You just add them all grams and kgs to get the final result. That is 7th and 8th questions. 7 and 8. In exercise 5. Okay, just read the question and get the information now. Okay, Nana? Even kilometers, meters also will be the same. Next, express 10 centimeters in meters. Okay, good. So 10 centimeters, we have to show in meters and kilometers. In order to show the 10 centimeters in the meters and kilometers, we need to know first how many centimeters in 1 meter. How many centimeters make a 1 meter?
100 centimeters.
And what about
Yeah.
1 centimeter? 1/100th part of meter. Right? And what about I have a 10 centimeters? I have 10 centimeters. But 1 centimeter is equals to 1/100th meter. What about the 10 centimeter? 10/100 meter. Equals 100th meter. 2 centimeters equals to 200th meter. 3 centimeters is 300th meter. 4 centimeters 400th meter. 6 centimeters 600th meter. But I have 10 centimeters. 10/100th meter. So if I convert this, 10 ones, 10 tens. 1/10 meter, that equals to 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter, that is equals to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeter is equals to 1/10 meter, 1 part of meter, that equals to 0.1 meters. Right? Next, we'll go for the kilometers. How many meters makes kilometer?
1,000 meters makes 1 kilometer.
1000 kada? 1000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. Right? 1000 meters. And what about 1 meter? So first of all, how many centimeters for this 1000 meter? We need to know that. Yeah, please tell me. How many meters? When we convert the centimeters? 1000, 100 into 1000 centimeters. Yeah, 1 meter has 100 centimeters, you know. But we have 1000 meters. Have you get the point? 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. Right. But 1 meter has 100 centimeters. But how many centimeters are there in the 1 kilometer? 1 into 5 zeros. 1 lakh centimeters equals to 1 kilometer. That's it. 1 lakh centimeters in 1 kilometer. But what about 1 centimeter? 1 by lakh kilometers. Same is ikkade. 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter. 1 centimeter is a 1/100th meters. 1 lakh centimeters makes 1 kilometer. And what about 1 centimeter? 1 by lakhs kilometers. Now 2 centimeters, 2 by lakhs kilometer. 4 centimeters, 4 by lakhs kilometers. 5 like that. Now 10 centimeters, 10 by lakh kilometers. 0 gone. 10 by 10,000 kilometers or 0.0001 kilometers. This is all about. Okay.